On a dark desert highway, cold wind in my hair, warm smell of pulitas rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, I saw swimming light. My head grew heavy and my sight grew dim. I have to stop for the night. There she stood in the doorway,